Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm the Yuzu build you have and back up your Yuzu folder so settings and saves are safe. Make sure you possess the NSP file and matching prod. Keys. This is necessary for proper decryption. Once done, update your GPU drivers and verify Vulkan or OpenGL support so performance won't bottleneck the process. These steps prevent simple errors and let you proceed confidently into extracting and loading the NSP. Now import the NSP. Open Yuzu, choose File, then Install File and point to the NSP. Yuzu will place it into its recognized directory if keys match, which enables proper title recognition. If compatibility issues arise, convert the NSP to XCI or a game folder using trusted conversion tools, because Yuzu reads some formats more reliably. After conversion or install, rescan your game's directory and let Yuzu verify the title files. This and finish by configuring game-specific options. Set CPU threads, enable or disable asynchronous shader compilation, and confirm controller bindings so input behaves correctly. Launch the game and allow the shader cache to build. Performance stabilizes after the initial run. If the game crashes or shows corrupt textures, check that your prod. Keys match the title, validate the NSP checksum to rule out a bad dump, and enable debug logging in Yuzu to capture errors for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.